Hello everyone, for today's string figure we have a big screen TV. This string figure is going to use a large loop of string, and we're going to start this off by draping the loop of string across our palms and then picking up the palm strings with our index fingers. And now I just want to transfer these index strings onto the thumb. So just pick it up off the index, place it on the thumb on both sides. And then I want to just release the little fingers. And then with all four fingers, I want to go into the thumb loops from below and drop the whole figure down onto the wrists. So it should look like that. And then this near string, the near straight string, I want to pick up, take it off the left wrist, and then place it onto the little finger and the thumb, similar to the way we start off our string figures. And then again pick it up off the wrist, and the same on the other side. Place it in between our little finger and our thumb. So your figure should look like that now. And again I want to pick up these palm strings with the index finger on both sides. So the figure should look like this. And then with the thumbs, I want to go over the near index string and then under the far index string and pick it up onto the back of the thumb. And then drop the little fingers. And there we should have the finished figure.